Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share the remarkable story of Queen Quet, a true guardian of culture and nature. Queen Quet, or Marquetta El Goodwine, is not just an advocate, she's a beacon of hope for the Gullah Geechee people, an ethnic group that has historically inhabited the Sea Islands and coastal regions from North Carolina to Florida. But what truly sets Queen Quet apart is her dedication to environmental justice and cultural preservation. Now imagine a person so intertwined with her culture and environment that her life's work becomes the protection and promotion of both. That is Queen Quet. As the Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, her role transcends traditional leadership. She's a historian, environmentalist, and a global advocate. Her journey began on St. Helena Island, South Carolina, a place rich with Gullah culture but faced with environmental threats. Queen Quet's response? To elevate her voice not just locally but internationally, ensuring the world understands the significance of the Gullah Geechee culture and the pressing need to preserve their environment against growing threats. In 2021, her tireless efforts were recognized when she was honored with the Order of the Palmetto Award, South Carolina's highest civilian honor. This was not just a personal achievement, but a moment of pride for the entire Gullah Geechee community. But what does environmental justice mean in the context of cultural preservation? For Queen Quet, it means advocating for policies that protect coastal areas from overdevelopment, pollution and climate change, all of which pose threats to the natural and cultural heritage of her people. Her voice has echoed in halls of power, from local government assemblies to international environmental conferences. Queen Quet utilizes every platform available to her, from advocating at the United Nations to engaging on social media, where she spreads awareness and rallies support for environmental causes. And her work doesn't stop there. Queen Quet has been instrumental in educational programs that teach both the young and old about the importance of sustainable practices and cultural pride. She believes in empowering her community to stand up for their right to a clean and safe environment, ensuring their culture thrives for generations to come. In a world where the battle against environmental degradation and cultural erosion continues to intensify, Queen Quet stands as a formidable force. Her life reminds us that protecting our planet goes hand in hand with preserving our cultural heritage. So, as we reflect on Queen Quet's profound impact, let's remember the power of dedicated individuals in driving change. It's not just about saving an environment, it's about saving a way of life, a history and a future. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, each of us has the power to make a difference in our world, just like Queen Quet. Stay inspired and keep fighting for what matters.